Hi, welcome to Mr. Ramage's Yellow Pencil Mathematics. Today we're going to talk about converting fractions to decimals. Now, a fraction is part of a whole. It's a portion of something that has to be divided into equal pieces. So a fraction is, in fact, a division problem. The fraction bar is a division symbol. To convert a fraction to a decimal, we divide the numerator by the denominator. So to remember this, your numerator is on top, your denominator is on bottom. So we would put the numerator inside of our division box and our denominator on the outside. Now, to help me to remember this, I have a little story. I didn't make this up. Another teacher taught this to me, but I use the cowboy horse method. So when a cowboy goes out, he has to ride on top of his horse. Then when they go home, the division box is the house. Well, when they go home, the cowboy has to go inside the house. The horse has to go outside the house. So, for instance, if we had 1/2, our numerator would be our cowboy. 2, our denominator would be our horse. So when they went home, here's our home. 1, the cowboy would go inside the house. 2, the horse would go outside the house. Now all we have to do is divide. So if I have 1 divided by 2, I cannot take 2 out of a group of 1. So what I need to do is put in a decimal, and 2 will divide into 1 0 times. I always put that 0 up there to hold the place. Then I would have to add a 0 over here, and now this is large enough. So 2 will can be subtracted out of 10 5 times. So 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, we would have 0. So 1/2 would be equal to 5/10. Oh, 5/10. That is a fraction, isn't it? 5/10. Decimals are fractions. Okay, that's our lesson today. You guys have a nice day. Bye.